Water in your basement, not something you want to find.
Came downstairs to do some laundry and everything was flooded.
I'm your Jackson neighborhood reporter, Darius Udris, and that's what Jackson neighbor Arthur Dominguez, a tenant at Southridge Park Apartments in downtown Jackson, says he woke up to earlier this week. And now the landlord is not responding.
You can walk into the water, you know. It was about half an inch to an inch.
Even worse when you don't know what kind of water.
I don't know if it's septic or what. And I'm on dialysis, so, you know, I don't want to mess with the dirty water. And that's why I went to the office and asked them, could they clean it up?
Dominguez says workers came with a snake and the flooding receded. But Monday afternoon when I visited, carpets on the floor were still soaking. And the workers haven't come back, he says. Dominguez says the word from management is that the rest is up to him.
They said they were going to clean it up as much as they can, and the rest they was going to leave to the resident.
Dominguez thinks that shouldn't be on him.
It's pretty unfair to the resident, you know. My fault it got overflowed like that.
I reached out to the building's management, Flushing, Michigan-based Charger Properties, both by email and phone. No one responded in time for this broadcast. I also went to the leasing office in Jackson, but managers here were unwilling to comment and directed me to call the main office. In Jackson, I'm your neighborhood reporter Darius Udris, Fox 47 News.